Jasmy has gotten roughly $4.08 in the last 24 hours. The EMA 50 is currently at 0.007, which is a very big change. In reality, 87,003,429 Jasmy coins are traded every 24 hours, which is pretty important. At $0.006, Jasmy's next real competitor isn't trying to be fancy. July 2023, in this video, we will usually walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for sort of the next week, and in every way that matters try to answer these most of the time. Just got clarification on some pressing facts. Let's market research shows that over the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84, taking the total digital currency market to $1,095 billion, 617, 921, 172. Market analysis shows that over the last 24 hours, there was a loss of 1.84, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1 trillion, which is a very big number. The total trading volume remains at $247,765,994, which is also a very big number. Bitcoin has 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%, or so they thought. This led to Bitcoin's price dropping to $30,513.42 after a 0.19% drop, while Ethereum's price dropped by 0.51% to $19, 15.50 over the past 24 hours. This shows how the all-out exchange market is changing. After losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents, which is usually a very big drop. These events clearly show that the market is going in a very downward direction at the moment. However, before we get too deep into the Jasmy technical analysis, let's talk about the kind of economic situation that is most important right now. Despite what most people think, the EMA 50 is currently at 0.007, as shown by a buy and a big, very unfortunate drop across the entire crypto market. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Essentially, in spite of prevalent thinking, support especially is a level at which purchaser is most certainly become commonly more truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin as costs from falling any further, showing how Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to really distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of huge manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers really become commonly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin as costs from moving higher, exhibiting what especially brought about Bitcoin as cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19 or so they basically thought, following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The current Jasmy coin price is 0.007, with a trading volume of 87,034,29. And the exact beyond 24 hours shows that market analysis over the last 24 hours was a loss of 1.84, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1.195 trillion, 617,921,172. Jasmy coin value research. Jasmy price examination for 0 to 2 July 2023 in a normal amount of time made sense below. So support is a level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from dropping any further. This shows how Jasmy coin backing and opposition are important technical indicators that are used to find key price levels where a trend might change. This is very important, and we use relative strength index RSI, moving average, normal combination and uniqueness, MACD backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including really basic moving average, normal, small, and outsta. Look at the future of the Jasmy coin in a very big way. The MACD line is still below the sine line after a hybrid, so Jasmy gained about 4.08 in the last 24 hours. Investors need to wait for a change in direction on the buy and large daily chart. This is because Bitcoin has 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. Or so they thought. The relative strength file RSI for Jasmy coin is currently floating at 19 for 14 days, which is above the normal line. Bitcoin price prediction: BTC stays at $30,500 as the market waits for June inflation data. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $30,628, which is a rise of almost 0.5% from Wednesday. As the market waits for June's inflation figures to be released, the cryptocurrency market is on standby to see how it might affect Bitcoin's performance. Notably, CBOE has refiled 5 Bitcoin ETFs that now include Coinbase monitoring agreements. This adds to the growing interest in the cryptocurrency market and the new things that could happen in it. The crypto market is waiting for June's inflation data to come out. Inflation in the US is expected to drop to its lowest level in more than 2 years in June. But prices for core goods and services are still going up, which suggests that the Federal Reserve is likely to keep raising interest rates. Economists think that the consumer price index will slow to 3.1%, which would be the slowest rate since March 2021. This could make people more likely to think that the Federal Reserve will tighten its monetary policy, which could affect Bitcoin's performance as buyers look at how interest rates and inflationary pressures might change. Thoughts from Bybit's head financial engineer on predicting BTC price growth during rate slowdown. Chen thinks that the market price could go up in the fourth quarter, but a full-fledged bull market might not happen until 2024. For this to happen, rate hikes would have to stop. BTC would have to drop a lot, and legal questions would have to be answered. Even though these predictions were made, Bitcoin has stayed steady at around $30,000, which is a 100% rise since the beginning of the year. Notably, Bitcoin has done well even when the market is down, which suggests that experienced traders may have taken advantage of this. People are buying more Bitcoin because they think its price will go up in the future, which has been in the news. Investors may be interested in how the market is expected to bounce back in the fourth quarter and how there may be a bull market in the years to come. This confidence, combined with Bitcoin's strong performance so far in 2022, has probably kept interest and demand high, which has helped keep Bitcoin's price going up. CBOE refiles 5 Bitcoin ETFs with Coinbase surveillance agreements. The fact that CBOE Global Markets and Coinbase now have a surveillance sharing agreement, SSA, has made Bitcoin, BTC, worth more. This strategic move shows a strong dedication to following rules and protecting investors,